Okay, today we get to do a little sneak peek. I'm waiting for the owner to show up and we do our final walkthrough today, but since we have everything cleaned off and we've done the photography, I just thought I'd show you our latest. We're so happy with how this turned out. In terms of perfection, it's Cambria countertops, which are her selections. All my, finished under cabinet LED lighting. We have lots of storage and pantry and drawers and deep shelves on the top. A lot of wrapped around beams here that cause problems. Oh, the beam on the end of the doorway entrance caused problems, but we did a custom crown to hide it. But I think all in all, her pot filler, half a dishwasher Fisher Paykel, a lot going on. I love this is the only one we could fit, but at least we have both, the recycling and everything else together. I would say it's ciao for now, and we'll see you on the next